Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a portable air conditioner. So we're gonna give this thing a try and I'll show you guys how this works. Okay, so we have our ventilation tube. This is what's gonna go from the air conditioner to the outside. We have a drain tube, so when it accumulates the water, that's where that will go. This is the pipe that's going to go on the back of it to go from the out gassing to the tube. Put it there. And this might be the one that goes in. This probably goes in the window. So from the tube to the window out. Remote control, and it even comes with batteries. That's very nice. And let's take out this styrofoam. And then here is the unit. Oops. Okay. Get this out of the way. And then this is the part that's going to go in the window. So I'll show you guys how it all works here in a second. Open it up. And just so you know, it's on wheels, so it rolls around nice and easy. So see if we have enough cord to make it. There we go. We have an outlet right around the corner here, so I think I'll be able to put it in there for right now. So what's good about this one too is it runs on regular, 120 voltage from a house like. And we have the little vent ones there. Oh, here, I'll rotate it around and show you guys all the pieces and parts before we completely put it together. So, so on the top, let's see how we do it. Well, okay, on the top, I'll just tell you, we have a timer button, so we can set it for certain times, speed, up, down, mode, sleep, and power. And then it has like high and low for the speed. For the different modes, it has cool, dry, and fan. And those are the different settings for it. And then on the back, roll it around because we are on wheels. Just don't want to roll off of my little table. So here we go. So this is going to be, I guess, a drain plug, probably to drain the water that accumulates. This, I guess, dust plug. And then here is, I guess you have to unscrew it. This is the screen for the filter screen. So that's kind of all the back stuff. So here are our vents. Wow, that's putting out a lot of air. Oh, that's cold. So here we go. So, okay, so let's see. So I have just playing with the different buttons here. So I have the different timer now. I see on the top, it's telling me my numbers of things. So here we go. So it is blowing now, and I don't know how to tell how much air, but if you look at my hair, it's probably blowing, but it's putting out a lot of air. This would be great. I don't know if it's gonna be too noisy to hear me. Just gonna turn it off right now so you can do it. Actually, if you have like exercise equipment or something and you want a fan blowing on you that's cold, this would be great. We actually had something similar. It was the same brand, I think, but a different one next to my Peloton bike. So when I was biking, I could have nice cold air because the bike was in the garage. So in the summer here, it's like 100 degrees. So this will blow out nice and cold. So super awesome. But let me just show you on the back here how we're gonna hook up the ventilation for it so you can see how it'll work. So we have the different connectors. So we have this connector here. So you see it's got the square and then the tube. So that will just slide in the correct way. So we would slide this in here, right? And then we have the tube here, which is going to go to the window. So let me just open this up a little bit here. And then the way these are, well, you probably have to have it open most of the way, but let's see if I can do it. It kind of screws into the, I don't think it's going to screw in because it's not completely open. Okay, so there, that's completely open now. Let me press most of this up so I can do it. So then you screw it on, and then it kind of goes into the, into there, so now it holds on. And then the other end, what we'll do is something similar. Let's see if I can get this out here. So the other end will screw onto this, and so you have a lot of pipe, and then you screw this on, and then this. So if you have one of those windows that opens either up and down or back and forth, this will be the part for it. So you can do it like this. There we go. So this will connect into here. Well, depending on how you want it, in the back or the front. Put it there and then there. So then that'll be how. So otherwise, your window will be kind of open. So this gives you the ability. So it's just venting this air and no other air comes in. So that's what's great about this thing here, where it goes over the window like that. So these windows here don't open like that. So I'm not able to show this in working here, but maybe if I can take it somewhere else, I don't know. But this is really how it works here. So that's how it vents out. Or you could just put your thing somewhere not towards you. That's what we did with the biking thing. I just faced that somewhere else. So the air just went somewhere other than on me. What else do we need to know about this here? I mean, that's pretty much it. It is vacuum. I think to open it up, there's the different stuff here, so we can untape it and whatever and take it off. But it works for the most part, mostly right out of the box. You saw, I mean, this video is pretty short and it's working, but I'm going to go put it in that little room there and show you what I'm talking about, where it's going to go. Okay, so here it is set up in our little room. So it is blowing. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to show this direction here where the equipment is for security reasons. But you can see here, you can see we have a wall of switches and outlets just to run everything in this room. I have everything turned off right now, otherwise it would be super noisy. But this is where it's going to go, and it's just going to sit there and blow on all the equipment. So we are good to go. It's also our storage area. But very cool, and it's exciting. And the way I have the pipe right now is I just have it going out the door. So very cool. And this air conditioner is awesome. Thumbs up from me.